Linda from the Property Buyers Academy, back with another one of our top tips. Today I want to talk a little bit about what investment grade is, because if you get these right, you'll snag a better than average investment, putting more money in your pocket. But if you get it wrong, you'll probably get a lot of stress and you'll have lost opportunities, which could waste a lot of your hard-earned money. A few things that we recommend you look out for to establish if a location or a property is investment grade includes owner-occupier appeal. Owner-occupiers buy more with their heart than their head, so they'll often pay more, which is what you actually want when you go to sell your property, so that you get more money in your pocket. Another thing to check is the lifestyle drivers in the area. So what do people want in that area? Do they want gyms, parks, cafes? Whatever it is, make sure it has it for that area. Another thing to look at is the status appeal. What do people think of that area? Do they like it? Is it a desirable place? Another one is proven performance. Now, history and growth, historical growth, are really good indicators of what will happen in the future. So there's more things I can go on about, but we only have a couple of minutes, so I don't have enough time to go through them all, but we do have a great location checklist if you want. So feel free to log on to our website to have a look, or shoot us an email and we'll send it out to you. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out via the email and we'll help you as much as we can. So don't forget to have a look at our YouTube channel and the website, and have a look at some of our other top tips and resources. Thanks for listening. Thanks. Bye.